Agartala is a city of joy, a place of natural beauty. Agartala is a place of paradise. This is the capital city of Tripura. The area of the state capital comprises of 58.84 square kilometer. This is the second largest populated town in the northeastern part of India. The total population of the state is around 35.57 lakhs. 83% of the people live in rural areas. 17% people are residing in urban areas. Out of 35.57 lakhs, only 6.17 lakhs belong to urban area. Among them, 3,68,000 people are living under the Agartala municipal area, and the rest 3 lakhs people are living in the 15 Nagar Panchayat areas. Name of the Nagar Panchayats are Khowai, Dharmanagar, Kailashahar, Kumarghat, Kamalpur, Teliamura, Ranir Bazar, Shonamura, Udaipur, Amarpur, Shabrum, Bilonia, Ambasa, Bishalgarh and Shantir Bazar. Before merging to the Indian territory, almost 200 kings ruled over Tripura. On 9th September 1947, Tripura joined officially with the Indian Union and became a full-fledged state in the year 1972. In the year of 1901, Maharaja Radha Kishore Manikko built the Ujjanta Palace. Basically, after that, Agartala became the state capital of Tripura. The name of Ujjanta Palace was named by poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. In Tripura, the growth of the population is much less than the national average, but the number of unemployed is increasing day by day as compared with the other states of India. Presently, the total skilled unemployed is around 5.15 lakhs and the total unskilled unemployed is around 12 lakhs. Due to the lack of infrastructure, the number of skilled and unskilled unemployment are increasing rapidly. Keeping in view of this situation, the government of Tripura as well as the government of India is taking various measures to combat this situation. Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Act program and Tripura Urban Employment Program are the two major historic initiatives from this point of view. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act passed by Indian Parliament in the year 2005. The program is being implemented throughout the country under the Ministry of Rural Development. At present, all the districts of the country came under this program. The main objective of MNREGA is to enhance livelihood, security, and to provide employment opportunity on sustained basis. This program is completely for the rural masses. Getting inspiration from this historical success, the government of Tripura initiated another employment program for urban poor. The program is called Tripura Urban Employment Program. The scheme was launched on 15th July 2009. TUEP is basically for those who belongs to below poverty line. Under this program, total number of job card issued is around 43,500 in Agartala municipal area and 15 other Nagar Panchayats. On 15th July 2009, Chief Minister of Tripura, Sri Manik Sarkar, has inaugurated this TUEP program. Under TUEP, Government of Tripura decided to give 50 days work. After introducing this scheme, around 4,55,000 man days work has been done till the end of financial year 2010-2011.
Tripura Urban Employment Program is a program which is modeled on NREGA. It is similar to NREGA. The difference is only that in the NREGA there is a provision of 100 days work in a year to the poor family in the world who are wanting works. But here we have a distinction that only the listed BPL families will be able to do this work only. The main objective of this scheme is to give works to all the listed BPL families, those who are above 18 years age, for works of 50 days in a year.
Total population of Agartala is around 3,68,000. Out of that, Job card has been distributed to 21,700 families, those who belongs to the below poverty line. Till the end of March, 1,22,000 man-days were given. Out of 14 crore, the state government allotted 7 crore for man-day generation under Agartala municipal area. All the Nagar Panchayats, including Agartala Municipal Council, properly utilized this money. Government of Tripura is very happy now, obviously. Under this TWEP program, Government of Tripura is utilizing 60% of money for labor components and the rest 40% of money for expanding production of assets and material purpose. Different types of work is being done under this scheme, like garbage collection, cleaning of roads, avenue plantation, flood protection measures, new roads, brick soling, maintenance, beautification of parks, playgrounds, water areas, community services, routine maintenance works for roads, etc.
Municipality and other urban bodies, they could actually build up their assets like water bodies, like parks and other things, or like afforestation program through this TWEP. Neat result is that after engaging this huge force, urban force, into that program, we could build up a good number of parks. BT College Park or the field, it has been developed by this TWEP. You could find a good number of ponds which actually was dead, everybody considered it dead, but it has been made alive by the people by giving their labors, cleansing it, by cutting the ponds like that, which is called the reforms of ponds, like that. So TWEP has actually virtually come as a blessings to the urban poors.
Though TWEP is not an act, but after filling an application in a particular format, the concerned Nagar Panchayat or the Agartala Municipal Council has to give work within 7 days. Urban poor are now very much satisfied for that program and they are taking the advantage and opportunities of TWEP. To maintain the transparency, some measures has been taken by the government. These are like carefully preparing job register, 100% verification of muster roll, using numbered muster roll to be issued by implementing officers only, payment through post office bank accounts, conducting social audit twice a year, complaint monitoring and grievance redressal, vigilance and monitoring committee at ULB level, gradual transition to computerized database within a time frame with assistance from Director IT and NIC.
This is a good program, undoubtedly. The urban area also should be covered by this thing, and all the state governments, they should be also assisted by the central funds, and some modifications are also necessary in this regard.
I think so. We may continue the all beneficiaries; those are already getting job card. They can continue according to our guideline throughout the year. Already we completed 4 park and 1 mancho, and thereafter our planning also to make more park, more beautification area we demarcated.
Urban poors are now demanding more job at least for 100 days like NREGA. Government of Tripura is also expressing interest to extend this program. Due to the financial limitations, Government of Tripura is not in a position to extend TWEP. The demand has already been placed to Urban Development Ministry. The positive response from the central government is yet to come.
Tripura Urban Employment Program is introduced by the Government of Tripura for the urban poor to provide 50 days employment in a year. It is a unique program of India. Already Government of India, they encourage this.
Government of Tripura is very much pleased with all the Nagar Panchayats and the Agartala Municipal Council for successful implementation of this scheme.
আমার এখানে 7 লাখ টাকার একটা কাজ ছিল, 400 মেন্টেজের কাজ হয়েছে।
টুয়েপের কাজ ও তো 15 দিলে গেছে গা, আরও সামনে কাজ খাওয়ানো লাগে। অনেক সময় তো ছেলের দিকে চাই থাকা লাগে, পুরুষের দিকে চাই থাকা লাগে, পুরুষের দিকে চাই না, নিজের আর খুশি মতো নিজের আর একটা খরচ চলে।
এটা তো রেগা নাই, আমরা তো টুয়েপে আলাদা। এটা
আমরা এই পর্যন্ত 23 টাকা পাইছি টুয়েপের, এর ভিতরে 22 টাকা আমি কমপ্লিট করছি, মোট আমরা 56 লাখ টাকা পাইছি।
After successful implementation of NREGA, expectations of urban poor is increasing gradually. TUEP has a social impact. It can also bring social and financial equality between the rural and urban society. The dream can be fulfilled only when the central government will take necessary initiatives.